your Maker's Minute, and today I'm going to be showing you how to give a little bit of TLC to your addi lace needle tips. Now, the addi lace needles are 100% brass tips, which means they may get a little bit of tarnish buildup and have a little bit of residue, but no problem. Take a little bit of polish, clean it right off. I'll show you how. Now, we recommend using this MAAS polish to polish your addi lace needle tips. That's because we found this to be the strongest yet safest polish to use on these needles. It provides a coat of protection and find that it gives your needles long-lasting wear and protection, which is exactly what you want. So you can repeat this as many times as necessary until your needle tips are clean. So you can see quite a bit of tarnish and buildup has come off of just this one needle tip. So when you're done cleaning your needle, you can go ahead and dip it in some water or dip your rag in some water to wipe the polish away. And that's just how easy it is. Now you're going to want to do this anytime you see residue starting to build up or any sort of tarnish that's happened, especially if you haven't worked with your needles in a while. Also, you'll want to do this before you work with lighter colored yarns to prevent anything coming off of your needle tips and onto that lighter colored yarn. I hope this has been an informative video. You can check out our past Maker's Minute videos as well. We'll see you next time.